So here comes our next question. The question goes like, if you could work for any company, where would you work?
So as you asked Fatima, the question is if you would like to work for any company, where would you like to work, right? So from my perspective, whenever I am asking this question to any person or any candidate, I would really want to know if there is no constraint, what the person really want to do, right? So the interviewer's main intention is to explore whether you are really interested in the kind of job you are applying for, or you have any other hobbies which you really want to explore, but because of our any pressure from the parents or the society or any peer pressure, we are just going ahead and doing the job which we are asked to do, right? So because of that, I usually ask this kind of question. So say for example, you are a software developer, right? And you are applying in a software developer company as a software developer in my organization. And if I ask you, if there is no constraint, what would be the job which you want to really want to do? So if there is no constraint, you might say that I really want to do marketing, or I want to be a cricketer, or I want to be say somebody else, right? Which really shows what kind of personality you are, right? So it would be good during this time not to get into all these traps and tell them that I'm not interested in software development, rather I'm interested in something else. So the better way of answering this question would be to tell exactly, stick to the job profile and tell them that yes, I'm really interested to be a software developer. Also, um all the interests or all the things which are around software development, I'd like to do that, right? So this is the first trap where you will be stuck, or there is a trick behind this question. And the other one is also the company want to know what are your aspiring companies where you would like to join, right? So rather telling them that this particular company is where I would like to join, or this is my company, what you can do is you can tell them that I'm basically into product based companies or services based companies or AIML, right? So not any specific company name, rather than telling them particular domain where you would really like to work, right? So this is mainly, these are the things because of which the interviewer asks you the questions. Yeah, thanks,
Thank
Fatima.
you.